of the Voice of the People party led by the President Arden Miller Sangma met the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on various issues concerning the state. Speaking to the media after the meeting, VPP chief informed that the party had urged the state government to pay serious attention towards speeding up the notification to constitute the members of the committee for the speedy review of the policy. He also said that the chief minister assured the delegation that the search committee has presented enough panels of names as members of the expert committee. Regarding law and order situation in the state, Sangma said the party made it clear to the chief minister that it was rather shocking that the district administration made a startling revelation that Shillong was an unsafe city based on a few stray incidents.
Expert committee kan sedang penyelidikan kumnuban review tingin sampai buat katakan report jangka expert committee. Lalu kadang-kadang kami mingi ingin keren. Nengil hul ya ka jing penbaik jangka expert committee. Kalau pensau ni pensau bangin anak kita sorkat makan penbaik ini. Jinga. Nomor ke bangin ini penting sabang ini bagi rai juga sorkat kamtan juga district administration ni kelong persiap ya ki beri kita duk es no syaknya ini la pensau ya ka. Nagalang ka sorkat nagalang juga pensau la singkya la. Shaskore ka jing keren jing.